It's been almost 3 years since I bought my 2016 Mustang GT, and in that time, I've added about 11,000 miles to it. So today, I'm going to do something that I've only had to do twice since owning it. I'm going to take it for an oil change. So I took it to my local Ford dealership to get that done. While I was waiting, I walked around the lot to see what cars they had. The first car that got my attention was this 2020 Mustang GT. It had a sold sign on it. It sold for $43,000. I walked in the showroom to see if they had a GT 500 and found this 2018 Cobra Jet. Quite rare since only 68 were made. It's not even street legal. So bring a trailer and $127,000. Remember the 2020 Mustang I showed you? Well, when I came back outside, the new owner had just put a license plate on it and was about to drive off. That's a really good-looking Mustang, and you know I love silver. Now I know I want a set of black wheels for my Mustang. No shortage of trucks at this dealership. Looks like the Mustang is in good hands, so I'll walk around some more. While I was waiting, 3 car carriers full of trucks were unloaded. And here we have a row of Mustangs. Every one of them had an automatic transmission. Kind of disappointing. This Mustang had a damage disclosure on it, but was only being discounted about $5,000. It was about 98 degrees outside on this day, so I wanted to get back inside the building and wait until my car was done. And about 15 minutes later, my car was finished. This was the last video I took right before my phone battery went dead. And here is your reward for staying until the end of the video. You get to watch a squirrel crawl around the front of a Focus RS. For more random pictures and videos like this, follow me on Instagram. Now let's all unwind by watching me drive the Mustang on the highway in a perfectly straight line. I must be chillin' because I just got passed by a Fiat. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.